for higher GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba. Hadia latest and hot news and Aramede Bramo. Aruji so you subscribe to channel dia Bomodi say will be subscribe. The other say will click the subscribe button. Now a belly notification when a video for be uploaded. With the first person I was Ebeka ASA video. A few we are now one like video and give us a thumbs up now fee. Share my offer for so now when you be here. Now who and somewhere koso ewa Ghana be muharam afi yembura ye and somewhere beto yep no so yenti yes I report ya babetu ya yenti sazimi
ye hu say this business of politicians and politically exposed persons buying state assets adoso dodo say we can't take it any longer obibewu na ne will mo we hu say oh ye forest Ramsey site wa wele to nephews forever obi te cabinet na or ton ye hotels or to hotels no obi ton bungalows ya sase ne de ya che ni nyina from Accra to Kumasi to Tamale to Ho, and we are speaking to facts. My name said last week who monitor my latest expose am here and my intercepted all the documents sales are akoso prime lands state lands prime lands. Me what documents no
honorable Bobby ma'am may be interested pa
where your cantonments la wireless area ho
okay
President Akufo Addo one said 2 weeks ago lands minister be hold a press conference can say oh omo ignore me na the lands are safe intact secure they are not selling public lands.
Okay,
I mean the deception, the blatant lies. Minia documents no are frightening. President Akufo Addo, she said, "Wadane ne who land contractor under Article 257. Who necessarily who protected these lands for us? All public lands are vested in you as president to protect them for us. But President Akufo Addo selling them to his party members and appointees, his cronies. Indicate Gyamfi, 31st August 2022. Women's organizer, yes." She cannot challenge this. Yeah. Let's no so yatama mano.
National Women
Organizer NPP. 31st August 2022. And President Akufo Addo Tomano.
Autonomy.
Ope price no. Sikana Good question. Mini obe collapse. Enti documents ni nyina me wawa ha. Share the price or more.
Because it's a location, no.
Location, not the price.
Not the price. What my price in the location one?
Yeah. Will you believe, sir? For a plot, omutia between just 181 and 250. Obia and tier more than 250,000 cities.
Oh, how?
Cities, cantonments. Meanwhile, conservative value for a plot. Conservative.
Oh, cantonments.
Yeah, the amount for $500,000. That's 7.7 million. Now, so President Akufo Addo or the ni party for less than 200,000 cities. Cantonments, la wireless. AU village, baby, President Akufo see the AU Ghana 50. Village, no. AU, that prime location, free zones board area.
Kate Gyamfi.
Our listeners. Ibrahim Mohammed Awad, Minister for Tourism, Arts and Culture. 30th November 2020.
What's some date in the time account?
Oh, yes, 30th November. Dr. Ernest Yedu Addison, Governor of the Bank of Ghana. Who are governor? Governor, you are the most paid, the best paid person in Ghana. Yasase ye nyina ye dia. Odoso oko ye don come no. For what?
Enti Addison so to aban asase.
Ono so to aban asase. 31st August 2022. 31st August. We have all the documents here.
Okay.
Obi and to me challenge. Ni deputies ni nyina almost line up say, hey, yes so ye pebi. LC Addo Awazi, Deputy Governor, 27 August 2020. Maso Opoku Afare, on also 31st August 2022. And Joseph Boahin Edu, CEO of Cocoa Board.
Why?
Joseph Boahin Edu. Cocoa Board, on also Atobi, 30th October 2020. Dr. Janet Ampedu Fofie, Chairperson, Presidential Emoluments Committee, 29th June 2022. Kwabena Agyapong, President Akufo Addo's appointee on the Ghana Airport Company Limited, on also 22nd October 2022. And Okoto Nidia. Anselm Rasford Ajete Sowa, Ghana's High Commissioner to Canada, 14th October 2020. Anna Asare Odro, former NPP Women's Organizer, Holland chapter, 25th February 2021. Onem say, Kosusa, you can expect one name, say, or no, they are messy out. Ken Ofori Test Enterprise Insurance, on also 15 December 2023. On also say he has to participate. He will not let it go. Or no, he doesn't give any small opportunity chance. Kwesi Etua, board chair, President Akufo Addo appointed on also 14 October 2020. Georgina Wood, 15th October 2020.
Georgina Wood, man.
Former Chief Justice.
Oh, man.
This is what is going on.
Oh, man.
Inti assassinat ye kase or land looting, state capture. These are the documents.
Mami dinya hame.
Aha,
man.
That's what is going on. Inti the year can say, ye be bani. Inti under the new NDC manifesto.
So we mobaji anasa monje. Can I capture? Country fano.
Oh, Operation Retrieve All Loot.
Okay. Mobaji.
Yeah, beji.
Okay. Maybe bisa Mahama press meeting nasi. Okay, so beji.
Yeah, beji. Because President Mahama and Ubekaya, Professor Mills yebi 2009. Baby a yewo foreign ministry. Yes, foreign ministry.
Okay.
Omoton ema cabinet ministers. Anka one sizia. Anka say you to be in foreign ministry. Enti you are serving notice.
Of which my foreign affairs minister.
It has to go, Minia. It has to go. Enti the year can say, look, enough is enough. You be banning all politicians, government officials, and politically exposed persons from buying state assets. The other far-reaching proposal I made the pan say, on my way, wouldn't say, Ubisa ministers no say, Yasasi ayawo, Sena aka. What is the state of these lands? They cannot tell you. Mewo hanza de wa. 3rd February 2022.
Okay.
More than 2 years ago, Minia. This is the official document of
Parliamentary
Parliament. Parliamentary Hansard. Kwame Govins Agboja, Chief Whip, and 3rd February 2022, Ukain, column 37. And now Obisa, the lands minister. Or say, Mr. Speaker, I rise to ask the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, which government land and landed properties have been disposed of and transferred to private individuals since 2017.
Okay.
And the cost of each of the properties transferred.
Okay.
Meaning a behu pandemonium in Parliament.
Obisa asem no.
Obisa asem. Lands minister say, wait there, we need time. Mankind, see, Mr. Speaker, the 16 Regional Lands Commission are in the process of compiling the records of all government lands and land properties transferred. And I'll duly brief the House when the exercise is complete. Mr. Speaker, as the House may agree with me to compile a list on government land and landed properties that have been disposed of and transferred to private individuals since 2017, and the cost of each of them requires time and effort. And in accordance with the highest standards of transparency, I have asked that the records be compiled from 1993. ABC and then my committee, Assurances Committee, and Chebia just about 3 weeks ago. And yes, someone a minister and said, go 3 years. Watch a dodo. But my list no. Or say, I cannot, I need more time. Mumma up to end of year. Can you believe that?
End of year.
End of year. Meanwhile, Tonwan or Motong. Mumbe records, I know they are to me my but every day, every week you hear no moto. This list is just one area. Mimba Laboni, that's another scandal on its own. Mindru Airport, Mindru Kumasi, the Aircosu wa Kumasi, wow Kumasi, mania. The rich lands in Kumasi, Ube collapse.
I'm quite about to for YGB or
Minya. And you ask yourself, at this rate. Meanwhile, Ubekaya, President Akufo Addo ankasa, Nenumasem, Okachere Ghana for say, promise now, Agenda 111 during COVID, say obese hospitals within a year. The reason why I went to me and fulfilling is he had issues, challenges with land. Land acquisition became a major problem. When to me, anya asase, omudi besi hospitals. Inti, how is it that nipa who complain say, yeni asase do na asa. Inti, aban upese who see hospital krana, to me enya asase in see hospitals. Why are you still engaged in these opaque sales? And the yani say, omo ton asase no kra, omo advertise o. Ema Ghana for you na also what o pese o compete here. Omo advertising. No transparency. Kanana. Quietly na yaton. And it's not even for market value. Until what is coming to the national kitty cry, until we are losing on all fronts. Who lose asase no? You are also losing money. You are not getting any real value for these lands that are being sold. Until you kase, for the first time in the history of our country, you better create BBI your friend State Asset Registry.
State Asset Registry.
Mobile. Yabeye. Until Ghana for you na be hu. Send a year brew parliament just to get lands, data on lands. You see, all the data will be put on a website. In Century for citizens. You be home. I bind there. Our Bumprugu yo ana our Bole ana our Doma ana our North Tom. I
can't wait to.
We are going to publish that. In addition to that, bungalows, your forests, your cars, all of them. Be a bind there. It will be published. State Asset Registry. And in addition to that, you see, selling of lands to politically exposed persons. Then your Pualugu, you're spending $11.9 million. Parliamentary committee, your cohort, nothing to show. The place is overgrown with weeds. $11.9 million. 11.9
we have a video about me.
Oh, call your journalist, Munko Pualugu to see. Uncle Mary and Kase Bagri Dam or maybe will not all be Nadmufosi emergency or Muhia Sika. They've written to us in Parliament. They are everybody scrambling. Uncle Mwisi Dam now, we will not be where we are. In addition to that, Ejapa, we thought say you're stopping Ejapa in Parliament because Omobai Kase Yempene, so we are not going to. This is part of their Ejapa D agenda. We will not allow it. Unknown to us, Omwako blow $12 million our land. It's stated. It is in the Auditor General's report. It appeared. It came up at the Public Account Committee.
$12 million.
$12 million. Yabiso Omusi na Omu per office our London. They were trying to list on the London Stock Exchange and all of that. $12 million. Myth what Ako spending. They cannot give us a breakdown as we speak. Into Operation Retrieve All Loot there, Ebebaso. Me know Kasa say, when you say National Cathedral, you're spending $58.1 million. And know your taxes in Kwao, $339 million. Amenana, the world's most expensive pit. And no taxes, no. Donations in Kanho, the Munyana will cement, no. A software. Yeah. No, sir. As I said, me mad distinction. Sir, $58 million. So, taxes in Kwan.
Me cement in
Kanho. Into all the and the other, and no, you're valuing about $3.5 million and $58 million.
Okay.
Into the world's most expensive pit. There has to be retrievers. So, architect now, your friend David Ajay. When him say, after year 32 million cedis, inflationary pricing or you know.
Drawings, no?
Yeah, drawings.
32 million Ghana
cedis for drawings, no?
Charlie.
And drawing you know. And minim nipa or secretariat. Kase drawing where you know. Restaurant in Kanho. You per restaurant, you best serve food from Israel, Jerusalem, manna and other things. Into for restaurant car design neho. Unim saying or charge just for restaurant, adding restaurant.
Restaurant design.
$5.8 million. Not cedis. Dollars.
Debbie, Sammy, please. Sammy, please. This one day, I beg you. After 32 million Ghana cedis paid.
Yeah.
Just adding a design.
Yeah.
Of a restaurant.
Yeah.
To the National Cathedral. It was 5.2 million.
5.8
million dollars.
Yeah. $5.8 million. Remember letters nina. What's a me intercepted documents? Me documents now. I don't talk about it. I'll give you all of that. These are facts.
Answer na meka bibiano. I do my due diligence, do my research. But Ababeya has become a strategy. Say, I'm following court, and you see. Munim say omudi court so na ensenkyere force mo ye careful asem no waka to enti na yenye careful enti contempt beba enti yentu minka enti that's clearly the strategy but I am hoping say one of these days no judges nankasa will see through this now omo dismiss all these cases because they keep losing they keep awarding costs against them. Now so they keep filing appeals. When would that stop? But meaning say Mr. Domolevo Noka say when you try to fight corruption will fight you back. Until we have to prepare for worse. And a big crowd advising me say I have to watch my security and all of that. Sometimes I get clear threats. Maybe my phones you see the threats. Naked threats. For example, I'll say Parks and Gardens land or say what talk Nidia. Why am I talking about it? Why issue threats? There or also say what talk Parks and Gardens land or cantonments. Or see a friend Reverend Ezekiel, owner of Danny Ike real estate developers. Or also watch your crater at the Abreme. I'll give you a copy. Say warning me not to mention his name. I'll keep mentioning his name and I'll keep talking about it. Say and also my Ezekiel. Danny Ike into Parks and Gardens assassin or cantonments. I see a need water. Meanwhile, may someone local government minister or bar parliament. Local government minister. Ebeka say per his records no. The Parks and Gardens lands is still for government. So because onim or claiming. And you see there are people in this government, lands commission for our moya kanana. Himself for the first time in our history. Mamin listy state capture, kano. Mamin listy be more. Himself for the first time in our country's history. Judges ako court. Judges ako court say omu bungalows, 13 bungalows. Private developer be just showed up say ono wato enidia. We bubu bungalows ni nyina. 13 me work documents ni na wa. 13 bungalows. 13 bungalows. These are the court documents. 27 February 2024. And judges no. Judges of the Superior Court. And what is Supreme Court? Yes. What is shocking is judges no. Omu secure injunction. Omu who say private developer way or be we are asase. And omu call court rush to secure an injunction 28 November 2023. Will you believe say private developer no or defy omu? Or defy injunction, we say go to hell with your injunction. And Ububu, 3 more. Number 7, 5th Secular Road, cantonments. Number 8, 18, 5th Secular Road, cantonments. Number 36, 5th Secular Road, cantonments. Yeah, can say 13 bungalows. I can list judges now more bungalows anymore. Justice L.G. Kobie, Justice Anthony Abada, Justice K.A. Oforiata. Yeah.
And see, number 7.
Yeah.
5th Secular Road, cantonments, last occupied by Justice F.G. Kobe. Number 18, 5th Secular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Justice Anthony Abada. Number 21, 5th Secular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Justice K.A. Ofori Atta. Number 36, 5th Secular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Ruben Batu's family. Honestly, a judge. And number 3A, 5th Circular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Justice JáiL Appel. JáiL Appel, Number 3E, 5th Circular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Justice Seven Noke. I think I got it right. Number 3F, 5th Circular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Justice Julius Ansa. And number 24, 4 Onyasia. I think I'm right. Roman Ridge, last occupied by Justice Akamba. Number 31, 4th Secular Road, cantonment, last occupied by Justice P.K. Honorable, I think I'm right. JáiL. And GET 5 or number 28. Kote CRGL dash numbers no to us Laboni and no Laboni. Last occupied by Dr. Naomi Apia, Judicial Service Clinic. And on number 4, Ridge Runabouts. Runabout here where you Ridge last occupied by Justice C.H. Honyanuga.
Yeah.
Justice Honyanuga.
Opuni judge.
Interesting. Opuni judge. Yeah. You know.
Yatoni Bangalo.
Number 51, 7th Avenue Extension, East Ridge, last occupied by Justice Vida Akoto Bawumfo.
Yeah.
Wow. Number D, 20, CSQ Laboni, last occupied by Justice Lorinda Owusu.
Then where would
you know Supreme Court judges?
Yeah. It is a say affect you be Omuka page say it go reach everybody.
Yeah.
That's what has happened. Judges, they even had an injunction. Inti nipa na oye sa demolition wafa assassino. Would you say we need top politician be a back no? Clearly, our massive
to the extent of Supreme Court judge.
Yes. The 28th November, Omo Rashid and colleagues
come off from members
with an injunction. Almost say
TNTobia. They went ahead.
It is a say case. No, the case is live. Kosovo court. It is being handled by the judges to preserve Omubanga, at least what is left of the lands, because bungalows no be
what demolish
pictures no more attached pictures no it's all part of the sworn affidavit.
Mama fancy camera no proper.
All the demolition, bare land, more demolition. Say almost 30 AC new buildings fast.
Or the Bayer estate no $1,000.
Yeah. And
that's it.
Omo direction. One say opposite American embassy.
Yeah.
Just right opposite American embassy. Into prime land. There be American embassy war, French embassy war.
And see another one here.
I mean, into state capture.
New buildings. So they already say no. Yeah, bubu judges and they are not to go and yes for fraud. Hey. Young Cosway.
And you know, when you say Ghana Prison Service, almost work court. Say, Omasa say a Roman Rich, maybe a Boston Institute.
Yeah.
Bonis prison. Obi say a Yanedia, Sani Pano, friend of Professor Piedu, our senior advisor to Vice President Bawumia. Until they are in court. Wakwaku bubu omo fence. Or say a Yanedia. Prison service. If we put Ghana first and NPP and NDC, because labor leaders on issue statements, nobody can convince me say to Obama NDC and now to my NPP and PNC and CPP. They have their various partisan interests, but to say no, Obia say your minor or minor interests and targeting. And me per se me celebrate Ghana for na me salute Ghanaian workers na men kaima men kama obiati asese say yenyina ye adopted this approach. If we come together on the important issues, ye bako, ye united, and we just suspend all this way from me chrome, way from me party, and we just look at the national interest. Look, the politicians will remember, say, true power belongs to the people. It doesn't belong to those in power. It belongs to the people. Okay, your constitution, the 1992 constitution, sovereignty resides in the people. Into the people, no, the masses. When we come together, nobody, no army, no police, no fire service, no prison service, nobody can stop us. Into this must be the model. This must be the approach. There are some major issues, and on mind because here we have no sacred cows, no national interests. Bibiana ya di yaman yosem, bibiana ya divide ya ho. All these artificial divisions, no, all these artificial boundaries, no. Let us know when to put them aside, to suspend them. And me perceive me salute ubia and the labor unions, no, ubia across the spectrum, whether omo ye professors so, omo go school dao, omo jomo, no matter who you are, we are united. Say ye Ghana for assets way and worker contributions. And I this year, Labadi Beach Hotel, Yenina Yesika, La Palm Royal, Yenina Yesika, Ridge Royal Hotel, Walk Cape Coast, Yenina Yesika, Elmina Beach Resort, Yenina Yesika, Buzia Beach, Yenina Yesika, Trust Lodge. 6 hotels Yenina no, Yesika, and I this year. Into Banisana. Hotels are yedi yesika esi say ye call retirement na ye nyan faso na profit na ebeba no na ye de atia ye pensions ebanisena suddenly mo say enye ma ye nyina nanso eye ma nipa bako. How do you explain that? How do you explain that? Say hotels no the hotels OTS need for now say hotels no pro say yo faso bia ni ho nanso mo aban mo yamamu to me say mon protecting assets no say bebe ato sinkra na mon dane no mon famu nimdie na mon transforming assets no. You are boldly holding press conference say, oh you are failure, you are incompetent, hotels are making losses, then you resign. Ghana the only country leaders can hold press conference say, oh assets na mudia mayen say yansha so mamono oh enye ya spending 200 million cedis so far, no dividends, sikabia free muemba ente jisa yeton. Meanwhile nipa na oton so onimo ewa aban mu ente question na say yenyina ye bisa de say ebanisana o say honorable Boakye Agyapong eba hotels a owo nimdie pa adentina owo cabinet ho owo aban ni mo ebia onye NDC bi nimbia na position onka aban owo aban ni mo key member cabinet minister sa nimdie na owo no adentina onfa nimdie no emboa ye nyina jese ye tonma no ebe ye ni private property and sana or this animdia. Is that patriotism? Is that love for country? That is the crux of the matter. And to the genesis.
So before we are back to the genesis, so how do you feel? Say, course, who pursuing for the interest of Ghana. Now, why I say where do cocots? How do you feel?
To be honest with you, sometimes I am frustrating because court cases no be. It is a kusibuating court cases ne say on non kasa on back court. Now so they be na make court. Now as I say me court parliament, as I say me come constituency, me share spillage victims, me back parliament, there be some questions. Now it's getting in the way. Now so or no they make court cooling off somewhere on back, and he keeps losing or losing now a file appeal or losing now a file appeal. The whole thing is let's frustrate him, let's keep him busy, and na intimidating no na hopefully no na asemboni na koso no na wajaika. That is the whole strategy. Osha Freddie Blaze so threats upon threats upon threats. Meanwhile, in some media to you no cre no cre say mwako tam Labadi Beach Hotel for Omu Beach front. Mwafa musi mudia no cre say muso mo put a bid to purchase this hotel. Minka sembia macho ntro Bediatuo obeso. I won't do that because my name say Ukraine the Ghanaian constitution if you as a member of parliament you misconduct yourself, if there is an adverse finding against you by a court and any committee of competent jurisdiction, you can lose your position. And me losing my position based on say have gone to engage in bad conduct.
Yo, it for winning a reporter Abeto Yepuno so Mikau says so we now subscribe to channel area Bomodia say over subscribe sans hadia latest and hot news enkwa Aremeyaw bro. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up nafi shema or ofori so na when you be here now who and somewhere koso e wo Ghana memoir also betimi otchere wadwen afaye some way nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu mobati minkabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.